So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your YouTube app. I'm going to click on here now to open my YouTube app. After you open up your YouTube app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on the setting icon. Go ahead and click on general. Then go ahead and click on notifications right here. Now you are here. Here, you can turn on and turn off some of the notifications you don't want right here. So scroll down right here. If you do not want any video recommended to be pop up on your phone each time there is a video recommended by YouTube, what you need to do is to simply turn this off. Your changes were saved. Activities on my channel notify me about comments and other activities on my channel or videos. If you want any comments or reaction on your videos to be notified to you by YouTube, turn on this. Then you can scroll down, and then if you want to turn off any mention on your channel, go ahead and turn this off. You can review as many as possible and check on which one you would like to have as a notification and which one you would like to turn off as a notification on your YouTube app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your YouTube app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.